Today, I'll be unboxing the powered iPad stand, taking you through the installation process, highlighting its key features, and showing what makes it an ideal solution for secure powered tablet deployments. As part of our powered range, the powered iPad stand is designed to keep your iPad continuously charged using our low-profile USB-C cable system, helping reduce downtime and day-to-day maintenance. Inside the first box, you'll find the powered lock belt, a low-profile 180-degree USB-C cable extension, and an assembly kit containing all required fasteners and tools. Inside the second box, you'll find the powered iPad stand base. To begin installation, route the cable through the stand. If desired, the cable can also be routed through a pass-through hole on the countertop for a clean, cable-free appearance. Next, remove the adhesive backing from the underside of the stand. Carefully align the stand in your desired position and apply firm pressure to secure it to the mounting surface. Once mounted, place the powered lock belt onto the top surface of the stand and secure it using the supplied fasteners and installation tool. Depending on your preferred tablet orientation, remove the appropriate end cap cover and position the USB-C connector. Once in place, reinstall the end cap cover. Next, remove the opposite end cap cover and loosen the retaining fasteners using the supplied tool. Carefully slide the iPad into position, engaging the USB-C connector first, before lowering the device against the powered lock belt. While ensuring the iPad is correctly aligned, tighten the retaining fasteners to secure the device. Reinstall the end cap cover and connect power to verify charging functionality. With installation complete, your powered iPad stand is ready to use. The powered iPad stand is ideal for businesses seeking a secure, durable tablet mounting solution with integrated charging, a low-profile design, and straightforward installation. And that's a quick look at the powered iPad stand. If you'd like to learn more about our range of business tablet solutions, be sure to check out our other product showcase and installation videos. Thank you for watching.